Hello everyone, so I finally got an early access to the graphic design AI I spoke about in one of my recent videos, Microsoft Designer. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be testing it out with you guys, so make sure to stay tuned. Before we proceed properly into what we have for today's video, if you also need an early access to this AI tool, all you need to do is to go to the site designer.microsoft.com, and from there, all you want to do is to input your email address on the waitlist, and you'll be sent a message if you're actually selected from others that you can now try it out. So from there, all you need to do is to click on the icon, try it out, and you're good to go. So basically, this is how it's going to look like. You can see the wait is over, you're in from Microsoft Designer. Now you can actually try Designer over here. So yeah, I think it's finally time for us to try it out. So like I said earlier in today's video, this is actually my first time, so we're basically doing it together. Okay, so Microsoft Designer, let's see. So yeah, you've got free and exclusive early access to Microsoft Designer, as you guys can see. Then start designing. Let's do this. So let's see. And if you haven't watched my previous video about this Microsoft Designer, you can check it out so you can understand more about what we're doing right now. Okay, so let me sign in with my Microsoft account real quick. All right, so let's see. I feel so excited right now. Okay, so describe the design you'd like to create. So this is it, guys. What should we go on with? What can we start with? Okay, let's just say Instagram posts. Okay, an Instagram post about cats that are beautiful. Okay, well, this is actually what I am thinking of right now. So let's just click on generate. Let's see what is actually gonna come out. As you can see, generating designs for you. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh my god, guys, just take a look at this, and you can basically customize the design after this actually looks so nice. So let's zoom it in. You can see, guys, this is actually insane. All I had to do was to describe what I wanted. You know, the time where your normal graphic designer would have to, you know, search for pictures or all those things, I just did that in very few seconds. Okay, so let's try out something more detailed, you know, like a major graphic design. Okay, so let's go for something like a poster about my clothes. Yeah, my clothes business name. Then let's see Kid Cares, and then showing my contacts as 99 something. Okay, let's just try this out. Okay, so we're going more advanced. Let's see if it's actually capable as of now. Okay, so let's see what it's gonna generate for us. Whoa, amazing, guys. You know, I actually changed the size so we can try it out in square format. This is actually so amazing, guys. This is so amazing. Sincerely, this is so amazing. Amazing, guys. This is actually so insane. So YouTube thumbnail, okay, about love. Let's see, generate. So let's see what we have. Hey, so here you have it, guys. Love is in the air. So you basically select the size, and then you ask for the generation. So let's see, I just changed it to the size for normal YouTube thumbnail. So guys, you can see, okay, not bad. And then I believe you can actually adjust that. You can see, guys, customize. So let's try this one out. Customize design. Whoa, this is actually cool. It has its own animation, guys. Take a look at this. Wow, you can just pause and play, although it's not gonna play in the the thumbnail itself. But yeah, guys, as you can see, this AI is actually so interesting and so powerful from what I'm seeing already. So let's go back and try out some other things. Okay, so now let's try out this generate image. Okay, so basically gonna input the text and it generates the image. Not bad. Okay, so let's say dog. Let's just go for something easy. Okay, so a dog, let's see what it can generate in how many minutes or seconds. Amazing, guys, take a look at this. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. I'm gonna say that this AI is gonna be so useful to all of us, either a graphic designer or a normal student, a normal worker, whatever position you are in life. This AI design tool is actually going to be so useful for us all. So yeah, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from today's video and you haven't still subscribed, make sure to subscribe and also give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.